Crypto Daybook Americas. Bitcoin faces bearish June seasonality as ETF flows slow. Your day ahead look for June 5, 2025. You are viewing Crypto Daybook Americas, your new morning briefing on what happened in the crypto markets overnight and what's expected during the coming day. Crypto Daybook Americas will arrive in your inbox at 7 a.m. Eastern Time to kickstart your morning with comprehensive insights. If you're not already subscribed, click here. You won't want to start your day without it. By Omkar Godbole, all times ET unless indicated otherwise. Bitcoin, BTC, and other major cryptocurrencies continue to offer little directional clarity to traders, with inflows into spot ETFs slowing during the seasonally bearish period. According to 10x Research, June tends to be a mixed to negative month for the largest tokens. Bitcoin has averaged a 1.9% return in June over the past 10 years, evenly split between 5 positive and 5 negative occurrences. Ethereum's Ether, ETH, averaged an 11.7% decline, with only 2 out of the last 7 Junes in the green. XRP has fared even worse, though SOL has been stronger. The apathy is reflected in the US-listed spot Bitcoin ETFs, which recorded net inflows in only 2 of the past 5 trading days. Inflows on Wednesday were just $87 million, a sharp decline from Tuesday's $387 million. SoSoValue data show. Ether ETFs recorded a net inflow of $57 million, the least since May 21st. The weakening pace of institutional flows confirms a loss of momentum and makes us more cautious on the short-term outlook, Valentine Fournier, lead research analyst at BRN, said in an email. Other analysts, however, remain optimistic, citing the rapid pace of institutional adoption. Despite the seasonal summer lull, the structural backdrop remains intact, QCP Capital said. With both BTC and ETH emission rates now trailing global money supply growth, a long-term positive price drift appears increasingly probable. Fresh treasury buyers are absorbing supply. The firm also noted the relative strength in Ether as the ETH-BTC ratio trades close to the recent range highs. The crypto news flow over the past 24 hours has been positive. Circle, the issuer of the regulated USDC stablecoin, priced its initial public offering at $31 per share, above the expected range of $24 to $26. The company sold around 34 million shares in the offering for a valuation of $1.1 billion. The California Assembly approved the AB 1052 bill, classifying long inactive crypto assets as unclaimed property and allowing the state to hold them in custody. Blockchain intelligence firm Arkham said that a whale address supposedly linked to Consensus purchased $320 million in ETH from Galaxy Digital and transferred it to a new address. Economic developments, however, have been dismal. 3 soft U.S. economic reports, including the Fed's Beige Book, sent the Treasury yields tumbling, reviving hopes for the Fed rate cut. Stay alert. The CoinDesk Policy and Regulation Conference, formerly known as State of Crypto, is a one-day boutique event held in Washington on September 10th that allows general counsels, compliance officers, and regulatory executives to meet with public officials responsible for crypto legislation and regulatory oversight. By Shaurya Malva. Spot BTC ETFs. Spot ETH ETFs. Source, Farside Investors. Omkar Godbole is a co-managing editor on CoinDesk's markets team based in Mumbai, holds a master's degree in finance and a chartered market technician, CMT member. Omkar previously worked at FX Street, writing research on currency markets and as fundamental analyst at currency and commodities desk at Mumbai-based brokerage houses. Omkar holds small amounts of Bitcoin, Ether, BitTorrent, Tron, and DOT. Shaurya is the co-leader of the CoinDesk tokens and data team in Asia with a focus on crypto derivatives, DeFi, market microstructure, and protocol analysis. Shaurya holds over $1,000 in BTC, ETH, SOL, AVAX, Sushi, CRV, NEAR, YFI, YFII, SHIB, Doge, USDT, USDC, BNB, MANA, MLN, Link, XMR, ALGO, VET, Cake, AAVE, Comp, Rook, TRX, SNX, Rune, FTM, ZIL, KSM, ENJ, CKB, Joe, GHST, PERP, BTRFLY, OHM, Banana, Rome, Burger, Spirit, and ORCA. He provides over $1,000 to liquidity pools on Compound, Curve, SushiSwap, PancakeSwap, BurgerSwap, Orca, AnySwap, SpiritSwap, Rook Protocol, Yearn Finance, Synthetics, Harvest, Redacted Cartel, Olympus DAO, Rome, Trader Joe, and Sun.